Hello and welcome to Technical Skillz YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. This is chat app series. So in the previous video we have designed this find view friend activity. So now in this video we will design over forgot password activity and also we will perform logout feature. So let's go back to our home activity. So here you can see this is our home activity. When we click on this navigation logout button we will log out the user. So go to main activity and scroll down. Here we have on navigation item selected. So here you can see here we have toast message. So we will remove this toast message and here we will perform over logout. So we will use mauth sign out, and after sign out we will simply send the user to our login activity. So here we will create intent equal to new intent. This is our main activity and target activity is our login activity. Okay, now we will start activity and pass this intent and finally we will finish. Okay, so let's run the application. Okay, our application running, so it's fetching the data. So let's click here on this hamburger and so let's click on this logout. Here you can see it's send us to our login screen. So now we will click on back. You can see our application is closed. Okay, now we need to perform our forgot password. So we will create another activity for forgot password. So first close all the tabs and here we will create another activity for forgot password. So right click new and select activity and this will be empty activity. So here we call it and give the name forgot activity, forgot password activity. Okay, we need a vector asset, so we will create first vector asset. So go to vector asset and here we will add security. Select this icon and choose it. Now change the width into 80 dp and select next and finish. Okay, now go to forgot password activity and here we will add first card view that will be match parent and again match parent. So now I will select margin for all side is 50 dp and corner radius will be 15 dp. Okay, now close it and inside this we will add constraint layout. So match parent and just close it. Now here we will add our image. So first we will add the constraint of this card view. So click on this button, it will automatically add the constraint from all sides. Okay, now drag the image view and here we will add that security icon. So this one. Okay, now add the constraint from top also. Okay, now we need edit text. So here I will drag the edit text that will be plain text and just simply add the constraint from all sides, also from top. Select a margin little bit and now here I will change the ID into input password reset and now here I will add the hint. This will be enter email. Okay, now we will add button. So here I will drag the button and add the constraint. Also add the constraint from top and now change a margin from top to 8 dp or 16 dp. Okay, now this will be btn send or you can say btn reset. Okay, now change the text into btn send. So I will change it into send And now we need to create our backgrounds for input field. So here inside this tribal we will create the background. So right click, layout, tribal resource file, and here we will create input password reset. Inside this text here we will add item, and inside item we will add shape. Inside shape we will add corner radius 45 dp. Okay, now here we will add stroke, width will be 2 dp, and color will be color accent. Okay, now here we will add the background. Okay, now here simply type background, and here we will select the background. So here we have background, this one input password reset. Okay, now change the padding. So here we will add the padding, just go to text and here simply add the padding for all side. Let's say I select 10 dp. Okay, and here we will add padding start, and that will be 20 dp. Okay, now go to design, and here we will remove our text, just remove this, and also we need to add the background of this button. So here we will add background, and here we will select btn bg. Okay, our background is ready. Okay, now select this image view and simply add the constraint from bottom and drag it a little bit from top. Okay, so now our forgot password layout is ready. Okay, now we will open our login activity, and here we have forgot password. So we will set a click listener on this forgot password. Here we will add forgot password dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we will open next activity. So here we will create start activity, new intent, and this is our login activity dot this, and our target activity is our forgot password activity. Okay, now first run the application. Okay, so let's click on this forgot password. Here you can see our next activity is open. Here we will add our email and click on send button. It will send us reset password confirmation on our email. So just go to our forgot password activity, and here we will create our edit text. So here we will create edit text, input email, and now btn send, and here we will initialize input email equal to find view by id r.id dot input password reset, and now we have btn send equal to find view by id r.id dot btn reset, and that's it. Now we will check btn dot set on click listener. Here when we click on btn send, we will get the email. So here we will create string email equal to input email dot get text dot toString, and here first we will check either we have added any email in input field or not. So email dot is empty, and what we have to do, we have to simply show toast message. Please enter your email. In else condition, we will perform our reset password. So first we need our Firebase auth. So here we will create Firebase auth auth. Okay, now we need to initialize this auth equal to Firebase auth dot get instance, and here we will use this auth dot send email password reset, and here we will pass our email. So email dot add on complete listener, new on complete listener. Okay, if our task is completed, we will show toast message. If task start is successful. We will show toast message. Please check your email. Okay, in else condition we will simply show error. Okay, now let's run the application. Okay, our application is running, so let's click on forward password. Here I will add email from the authentication. So let's say I choose first email, so this is my real email. Okay, let's click on send. Here you can see, please check your email. So go to our email box and refresh it, and here you can see here is our email. So let's click on this link, it's confirmation link, and it will open in new tab. Here I will add new password. Let's say I type 123123123123. Okay, let's save it. Okay, now go to again emulator and go back to our login activity, and here I will add our email, and here I will pass our new password 123123123123. Our first password was 126. Now I will add 123123123. Okay, now let's click on login. Here we have problem in email. We have to add here mail. Okay, let's click on login. Okay, here you can see our login is successful. So in this way you can reset your password. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Take care.